A State of the Science Conference on Research and Technology for Blindness and Low Vision, held at Smith-Kettlewell on December 4th, 2015. Highlights from a day of discussion and idea exchange among experts, consumers, and other stakeholders.
Opening keynote by Schroeder.
We always have to be cautious of class and income and opportunity. There are a lot of blind folks in our community who do not have access to the technologies, the smartphones, the tablets. And if they do, aside from class, there's a skill gap. The power of visual information and the visual interface has not gone away. In some ways, it's even more here with us as icons and images and GIFs and messages and have spread through all manner of communication. So the power of visual stuff is still very much here and can still very much be an issue. One of the things that I've really come to appreciate about Smith-Kettlewell, for example, is looking at vision loss in a broader way and trying to help do perhaps more useful assessments of the field and of the real needs of people with vision loss. Kids are coming into our system with vision loss, but they also have other disabilities. Sometimes the vision loss is actually brain-based and not, in fact, optical. All of us have learned to love what we can do with customizing, personalizing our mobile technologies and all of the ways in which that can help us learn about our environments and navigate things in ways that work effectively for us. But of course, mobile being a highly personal and highly changeable phenomena, rapid change can also lead, of course, to inaccessibility. And suddenly an app that worked once, when we update, the buttons are gone, they're no longer labeled, etc. One of the things that we absolutely should be doing is supporting access and training opportunities to develop experts who are blind or visually impaired in STEM, in technology, in design, in programming, etc. We need our own people in these spaces. One of the things that the technology industry says repeatedly is we don't want government to tell us how to design products to be accessible. I get that, I agree, and I support that. But that means we have to be working in the various standard-setting bodies and standards that technology developers and designers are looking to be able to make sure that we are influencing those standards. You guys are doing great work here. How do we tell the world about it? How can we help you tell the world about it? How can you be telling the world more effectively about it? Not only at Smith-Kettlewell, but all the other RERCs and federally funded activities that are out there. As I often say to groups of blind people and professionals, this is a great time to be blind. We haven't had a better time to be blind, I think, in our history.
This meeting is supported by NIDLR Grant 90RE5008-02-00 and Smith-Kettlewell. The views expressed in this meeting do not necessarily represent the policy of NIDLR, ACL, HHS, and you should not assume endorsement by the federal government.